Okay, sorry for cutting off. Something happened. So, before this, I forgot. I don't know what to do. I swear, I just saw a man. He left the chicken. He's not there? Okay. I have to do something real quick. Okay. Okay. Doing it. He's still there. I cut it off for a second. He's still there. I'm telling my parents, a man just put this chicken on it. That's disgusting. So, I'll cut it off for a second too. Again. I think you guys didn't hear me that well because I'm not talking that tall. I mean loud because I haven't started embarrass me. Cut it off. So you guys see as the title is disgusting. I know. But I cut off it a little bit in part 1. This one is part 2. But because I was trying to think of this in my new phone, little, and so I didn't know much stuff, so I just found things. But first, they have some fun. Maybe, I don't know. I cut it off. Okay, I'm back. You guys see? No, these. No, these. You guys see? Yeah. I'm not that tall. Really, I'm just 10 years old. What do you expect? I'm just kidding. I'm not funny with you guys. So, I don't have much YouTube as my other channel. You probably didn't notice it, but it's Matt Plays. But except of the S, I put a Z. Matt Plays. So I hope you check it out. But yeah, that just was a little part about the chicken. It was kind of disgusting. Crap, do you guys saw it? It was the officer. It was the officer. Okay, I think I need... Shoot. Crap, I cut it off. Bye. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think they kind of robbed me, guys. Okay, I'll leave the video here. Bye.